morning to the students of class 7. Students, today we are going to continue with chapter 17, areas of rectangles and squares. We are going to work out the next few sums of let's work out 17. Come to sum number 8. Let's read out the question first. The question is, the length of Karim's uncle's plot of land is twice its breadth and its area is 578 square meter. Find the length, breadth and the perimeter of Karim's uncle's land. So here the condition is the length is twice the breadth. So come to the solution part. Here the length is dependent on the breadth, that is why we are going to consider the breadth as x. So in the solution it is written, let the breadth of the plot of land be x meter. So the length as per the given question is twice of the breadth, which is equals to 2x meter. So children, you know that area of a rectangle is length into breadth. So we have calculated length into breadth into length, that is x into 2x, which is equals to 2x square meter. Now already it is given in the question that area is 578 square meter. So you are writing 2x square is equals to 578. Now in the next part you are solving out the equation. 2x square is equals to 578. So x square will be 578 by 2. This 2 goes down in the denominator and gets divided. So 578 by 2 you are doing. Then after that you are getting 289. Alright. So now x square is equals to 289. So x will be equals to root over of 289, which is equals to 17. So x is what? X is the breadth of the land. So you are writing the breadth is 17 meter and the length was 2x. So 2 into x, that is 2 into 17, which is equals to 34 meter. So you are getting the breadth as 17 meter and the length as 34 meter. And now when you have got the length and the breadth, you can easily take out the perimeter using the formula perimeter equals to 2 into length plus breadth. So putting the values of length and breadth, you are getting 2 into 34 plus 17, that is 2 into 51, which is equals to 102 meter. So answer you are writing, the length, breadth and the perimeter of the land are 34 meter, 17 meter and 102 meter respectively. Alright, so this sum is done. Now next question, sum number 9. Let's read out the sum first. The length of the rectangular stage of a theatre is twice its breadth. So here again the length is twice the breadth. It costs rupees 6040 to cover the whole stage with tarpaulin. If 1 square meter of tarpaulin costs rupees 21, find the length and breadth of the stage. So here also we will have to find out the area. Why area? Because the stage has to be covered with tarpaulin. That is why. So the solution is rupees 21 is the cost of 1 square meter of tarpaulin and the total cost is given, which is rupees 6048. So here the cost of 1 meter cloth is given, which is 21 rupees and the total cost is given, which is rupees 6048. Now in this case if you divide, then you will get the total area of tarpaulin required. So you are dividing this total cost by the cost of 1 square meter. So the total cost is 6048, which has been divided by 21. Why we are dividing? Because this is the total cost of the cloth that is required and it has been divided by 21 because 21 rupees is the cost of 1 square meter. 21 rupees is the cost of 1 square meter. That's why. Then after that, the division has been done. Whenever you are dividing, you are getting this 6048 you are dividing with 21 and you are getting 288 square meter. Alright children, so here by dividing the total cost with the cost of 1 square meter tarpaulin, you are getting the total area of the tarpaulin. It is actually a kind of waterproof material, okay, that is laid on the stage. Next, you are You have got the area of the stage which is equals to the area of the tarpaulin. Why? Because this tarpaulin has to be laid on the entire stage. That's why the area of the stage will be equal to the area of the tarpaulin, which is 288 square meter. So now it is already given in the question that the length is twice the breadth. So in this case, what we will do, we are going to take the breadth as x meter, because here the length is again dependent on the breadth, and length will be 2x meter. So area will be length into breadth, or breadth into length, which is equals to x into 2x, that is 2x square meter. Now we have got the area of the tarpaulin required as 288 square meter. So you are writing 2x square equals to 288. Now after that, x square will be 288 by 2, then after dividing you are getting 144. So x will be root over of 144, which is equals to 12. So x is what? X we have taken as the breadth. So breadth will be 12 meter and length will be 2 into 12, that is 24 meter. Alright. So you are writing the length of the stage is 24 meter and the breadth is 12 meter. Next sum number 7. The question is, the area of a square piece of land is 6400 square meter. Find the cost of fencing all around the land at rupees 3.50 per meter. So at first, the area of the land is given. From there, area of the square piece of land is given. From there we can find out the side of the square. So when area is given, we can find out the side by taking the root over of area. So square root of area means square root of 6400. So here in the rough, the square root by division method has been shown, and you have got the side of the square as, the length of the side as 80 meter. So now when the length of the side you have obtained, you can take out the perimeter. Perimeter equals to 4 into side. 4 into side, that means 4 into 80, which is equals to 320 meter. So whenever the fencing has to be done, it has to be done along the boundary. That means it has to be done along the perimeter of the square land. So here the total length where the fencing has to be done is 320 meter. Now in the question it is mentioned that the cost of fencing 1 meter is rupees 3.50. So the cost of fencing 320 meter will be rupees 3.50 into 320. Then after multiplying, you are getting rupees 1120. 1120 rupees 1120. So you are going to write the answer. Cost of fencing is rupees 1120. Alright children, so you are going to listen to the explanation from the video and work out the given sums in your classwork notebook. Thank you all for today.